Hello and welcome to the second or the third, depending on which order you're watching these in, I suppose, of the Flipster in 5 minutes tutorials. The first one is how to download and use the app on your device. These next two are going to talk more about browser based access. These are things that you can't necessarily do easily from the device, but are real easy to do from the browser. So we're going to talk first about printing. In order to get to your Flipster on the browser, you need to go to nextkansas.org. That is our Next catalog, and sign in. The sign in link is at the top right there. Once you've signed in, there are two ways to get to Flipster. The first thing you see is a hello with your name, and that is right next to the Go to Flipster link. Or you can go into the digital media page and click on Flipster from there. If you're not already signed in, that's when you'll sign in. You do have to sign in to use Flipster. Once you have signed in and clicked on Go to Flipster, you have a couple of options. There's a little carousel with the latest issues of all the magazines, and you can flip through them just like you would maybe a magazine rack. Or you can go to categories. If you know you're looking for magazines about foods and cooking, you can click on that and just see those magazines. That kind of help you clear out the clutter and see just what you're looking for. Once you have accessed the magazine, and if you have questions about that, the back issues tutorial goes into a little more detail here. But once you've opened the magazine and you're looking at it, then you have the option to print. There is a print all pages. Many magazines have limits as to how many pages you can print. The coloring books that we offer do not. They are unlimited printing. The rest of the magazines, they do, but I've never actually run into that limit. So I print off a lot of patterns from knitting magazines and recipes from food magazines, and I have never hit the you can't print anymore from this issue at all. So, you know, it's a possibility, but I don't know what those numbers are. So, all right, so that's it. That's how to print. Short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.